that smells so good. My friends call me the cooking master. I bet you want to know my secret.
ProTemp 2 Plus. A wireless thermometer with unlimited range monitoring, so I can make sure my roasted chicken is perfect every time.
And I still have time to do my yoga session outside.
A winning team deserves a winner's meal. And it's just about done. With Chef Stimp Breezo Fan, I can make adjustments right here on my phone and make sure that my steak is perfect. The probe's stainless steel design can resist ambient temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and internal temperatures up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing accurate temperature readings every time. ProTemp 2 Plus's probe is the thinnest needle-sized probe on the market, leaving no sign of it in my food. We got it, babe.
Yes, we do, honey.
ProTemp 2 Plus. Everything you need in one thermometer.